How to not get banned in Instagram for following some specific people or account. Now, if you don't want to get banned on Instagram for following some specific people or account, in order to achieve that, you need to have some knowledge about the Instagram community and guidelines. If you want to know completely about that, open your browser and search for Instagram community guidelines, and this first page of Instagram community guidelines FAQs will appear. Simply open that in order to know all of the community guidelines. But on the surface level, there are few things that you should never do in Instagram if you don't want to get in trouble with your account. First one is to not follow the accounts that posts sexual material or content in there, and also the accounts that spreads hate speech towards some specific community or Instagram in general. You should not follow those accounts and you will be in a safe place and you might not get banned from Instagram. I hope this video have been informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.